God smiles when we love Him supremely. This is what God wants most from you, a relationship. He says, I don't want your sacrifices. I want your love. I don't want your offerings. I want you to know me. God deeply loves you and desires your love in return. He longs for you to know Him and spend time with Him. Jesus called it the greatest commandment. He said, love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment.